My name's Stuart Hudson. I am a global IT infrastructure senior manager for Sun Chemical. Sun Chemical is a leading member of the DIC group. We're a manufacturer of printing inks, coatings, adhesives, pigments, etc. One of the largest in the world. We have a heritage going back over 200 years, and we've got a workforce of over 22,000 employees across the globe. Well, we made a large acquisition in mid-2019. We acquired around about 2,200 new users across the globe, spread across 33 sites. The majority of these people came from a company that were already used to using SharePoint, OneDrive, etc., which is something at the time that we hadn't really adopted that much in Sun Chemical. So that drove us to use SharePoint internally a lot more. We started moving a lot more data into the cloud. And obviously that brought its own challenges to us. We selected Veeam Data Cloud predominantly because of the great support that we had through the POC process. Veeam is protecting Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Teams data as it stands. It's really helping the business because it's not only enabling us to protect that data that's been stored in the cloud, but it's also begun to spark some extra projects, one of which could provide some good cost savings over the coming years. Consequences of data loss, obviously this could be detrimental to the business as a whole. I mean, if that data is something that is key to us running our business, then that could prevent us getting products out. It could prevent us getting the required information to our customers with regards to maybe product quality or safety standards, for instance. Ransomware is on the rise, and it's something our security group are very aware of, and they're constantly looking at ways of adding extra protection to Sun Chemical. And Veeam Data Cloud has helped with that because we've got secure storage. Our data is held in what we know is a secure site, secure manner. Should we get attacked internally, we can restore data and we know it's clean. So it does give us that extra little bit of a good feeling, I should say, that our data's in good hands. Well, we actually use Veeam within our factory environment already. We are happy with the relationship we have with Veeam. We're happy with the products that we have at the moment, so I don't see any reason that we wouldn't extend that in the future. Well, before we had Veeam, we relied heavily on the Microsoft Recycle bin, and I would quite often wake up early in the morning worrying about what if we were to lose some files, what if I couldn't get them back, how do I explain that one away? I've got other things to worry about, but not data now.